In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make primary currency in PayPal. If you shop online in different countries or receive payments from clients abroad, setting a primary currency in PayPal helps you control how your balance is displayed and which currency PayPal uses by default at checkout. It's quick to do, and you can change it again anytime if your needs shift. Start by opening PayPal in your browser and signing into your account. From the main page, head to Wallet. Depending on your region, it may also appear as Money or Finances, but Wallet is the section where your balances, cards, and currencies live. Click it to open your account overview. Inside Wallet, look for your list of currencies. You should see the currencies you've already added to your account, along with any balances you currently hold. Identify the currency you want to make your default. This should be the one you use most often for sending or receiving funds, or the currency you want to see first when you check your balance. Next to that currency, find the three-dot menu icon. This menu controls actions for that specific currency. Click the three dots to open the options, then choose Make Primary. This tells PayPal that you want this currency to become your default for future activity. PayPal may show a confirmation screen to make sure you're certain. On that screen, click Set as Primary to confirm your choice. That's it. Your new default currency is set. You'll typically see a quick confirmation or a small label indicating that it's now your primary currency. After you make the change, your primary currency becomes the default for new transactions and the first currency displayed in your balance. If you pay in a different currency, PayPal can convert at the time of payment, using its current rates and any applicable fees. Your existing balances in other currencies remain available. Nothing is lost or merged unless you choose to convert funds yourself. A few tips before you wrap up. Pick the currency you use most often to minimize conversion costs. If you frequently get paid in multiple currencies, keep those balances as they are and only convert when necessary. If the wallet layout looks a bit different for you, that's normal. PayPal updates its design by region and device, but the same options are in the wallet or money section. And make sure the currency you want is already in your list so you can set it as primary. That's the whole process. You've set your primary currency in PayPal and now have more control over how your money is displayed and used. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.